Last take.
The Sprite Ginger.
It's the Sprite Ginger.
Average Guys Chugs. Chugs. Chugs.
Hello, everybody. Drum roll, please.
And welcome to the second ever edition of Average Guys Chugs. 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 Robbie, what are we chugging today?
We have 2-liter strawberry. As you all can see, we got a 2-liter straw. No way. No. No. No, not again. As you all can see, we got a 2-liter fridge cold Sprite Ginger.
Time to beat right now, 39 seconds by the champ, BadlandsChugs.
Easy today, Matt.
You got
Easy.
this. This one's nothing. This is
Easy.
nothing. Alrighty. Average Guys Chugs. 2-liter fridge cold Sprite Ginger. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, so bubbly.
That's horrible.
Dude, oh my god. Oh. What on what?
How does he use in 39 seconds? Holy crap.
Oh, I can't even burp right now.
Get pain in the stomach.
I just keep going.
Oh. You clicked on this video to see me burp today. I know you did. You're welcome.
Oh, I'm struggling, dude.
Let's go, Matt. You got this. Don't tell me the quantity of liquid is gonna stop you today.
Attaboy. Summon the jugs. Does this so casually. Oh. I don't know if I can do this one. Oh. Woo! Oh my god. One last chug. Oh.
I might go throw up. I got it. I'm sorry, camera.
Oh, Mr. Chugs, I would like to formally say, what? What the hell?
Oh. I'm so sorry. It was either I do that or you all witness me do that. And I'm not picking that mess up. See, I'm confident Mr. Chugs does the same thing that I just did. Because his videos end really quickly. He chugs and that stuff is cut. Wow. All the bubbles, just the liquid.
Relax with the words right now.
Sorry. I'm just trying to give the viewers what you're going through, what I'm going through.
I'm gonna call it.
Oh, no, you're not with that
completion. You know, sometimes the carrot just falls off the stick and you just gotta walk off that hole. Ugh.
Hey, Shakespeare, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that alert button, follow the new Insta page if you're not already on that wave.
Check it out. We'll see you next week for another episode. Average Guys Eat.
Eats.
Like, comment, subscribe.